Alright, good morning guys. I'm gonna do a video this morning about how to make an Arapuca bird trap. These are pretty simple. They don't take a lot to put together. Don't take a lot of materials, not a lot of tools. All you need is some cordage and some sticks. That's all it really takes. You're going to want to get yourself an assortment of size sticks, double of each size, because they're going to be what really holds everything together in this matter. It's all just about pressure with these bird traps. So here's what you're going to start with. You're going to take your two biggest sticks and you're going to tie them together like this in a square rectangle fashion on each end, just like this. Simply take that and twist it so you have a setup like this, so there's an X in the middle. Okay, that is how we're going to start building our bird trap. So you take your next longest sticks, go up underneath that X and set it in like so. Okay, we're going to take this one, set that one in, and you just draw them together. Let's get a different stick than that one. You push it to the ends of your cordage, just like so. Okay, so now you pretty much made a square. All right, then the next step is to take your next longest sticks and go in the opposite direction, up and in. And make sure your sticks are long enough to go all the way across. It's going to be key. So if you have to gather new sticks to get your measurements right, that's fine. And you pull them across like that. Same thing, third layer, up, and then pull them tight. It doesn't even have to be tight, because this is going to tighten itself down as you get going. Put your next ones in. That one's a little shorter than what I want, but I'll find a different stick for that one. Okay. Put it up and in there. Move it over. Up and in. Move it over. Go ahead and go through. Pull everything to the sides so it starts really tightening up. Work on your next layer, same technique. Everything will start closing in a little bit. You'll be making like a pyramid style design. I'm working on a slope right now, so gravity's working against me. But yeah, it's better to do these on an even grade, so nothing rolls on me. But as you can see, it gets a little harder, so you kind of have to roll your sticks in at this point. Get everything nice and squared off. Even pressure on both sides. Watch your cordage so your sticks aren't coming out inside the trap, because then it's all going to collapse on you, and that can get frustrating. But you'll feel it really gain some tension the higher you go. Right now I'm getting some good tension. Really gotta just take your time, or you're gonna end up frustrating yourself when it just collapses on itself. So when you're building these, just go slow. And just roll them in. Don't press. Try and just roll it in nice and slow, so nothing comes undone. Okay, so now I'm getting a lot of tension up top. Point where you can pick it right up. Okay, so I might be able to squeeze one or two more up top, which the more tension the better. If you can get more in there, then do so. If you want structure. Now this is a small version of this trap. You can make them as big as you want, as long as you got enough cordage. You can make them big enough to catch, you know, doves, quail, pheasants, such. This one, you probably look on the smaller side of the bird world, catch anything. But yeah, so there it is, an Arapuca bird trap. Now, all you need to set is either your figure 4 drop, put your bait stick in here, bam, they're in there. Okay, now these aren't good for long distance travel. So when you're making these, if you need to travel, take your trap apart, you know, make a kit out of it, take it apart and take it with you, because if you go ahead and start moving around with these and everything, they're going to come apart, because like I said, it's all just off the tension off that rope. So if one stick slides left or right, it's going to end up really messing up your whole bird trap. Yeah, there it is, the Arapuca bird trap.